Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Vasquez and I will be doing my molecular portfolio presentation on Prozac. I will be starting my presentation by drawing the skeletal structure of my molecule, and on the side I have the brand name, the generic name, and the chemical name of Prozac. What is Prozac used for? The drug Prozac is a medically prescribed antidepressant that is used to help patients with a different range of emotional disorders that can include depression, panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and anxiety. It can also be used to treat bulimia because depression and anxiety are common side effects of this mental disorder. Prozac is a compound that has selective inhibiting serotonin reuptake abilities, which can help increase serotonin levels in a patient. This happens because it blocks the reabsorption of serotonin in neurons, allowing transmission of messages of serotonin to become improved and serotonin to be much more available. When should you not take Prozac? Prozac should not be taken by patients with depression that are younger than 8 years old. It also should not be taken by OCD patients that are younger than 7 years old. It should not be taken by patients that are known to have a medical history of hyponatremia because Prozac can decrease sodium levels in the blood, which can lead to vomiting, liver, heart, and kidney problems. Significant interactions with other drugs. Prozac is a very common antidepressant that is prescribed to help treat a different number of conditions and disorders, but has a serious side effects if mixed with other drugs. Prozac can have significant interactions with opioid painkillers like fentanyl and methadone. Fentanyl and Prozac can cause serotonin syndrome, which is when there is a high level of serotonin that accumulates in the body. Serotonin syndrome can cause side effects that can include confusion, increased heart rate, vomiting, shaking, and loss of balance. Then methadone and Prozac can cause side effects that can include heart palpitations, fainting, and shortness of breath. Something interesting about Prozac. Prozac was the first drug to have selective inhibiting serotonin reuptake and was a very popular drug to treat depression. It did have a voluntary recall in 2018 due to abnormal testing results that caused Prozac to not meet the standards of the Food and Drug Administration due to a certain ingredient that was being integrated into the drug. This recall didn't necessarily pull all Prozac off the shelves, but just a specific lot that was shipped between the dates March 24, 2016 to January 4, 2018. This batch was voluntary recall because the use of this batch was very unlikely to have any health consequences.